Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at one of my brokerage listings. It's a 2021 Mastercraft X22, freshwater only, single owner boat in fantastic condition. All right, so 2021 X22, top trim level Mastercraft offers, really nice boat. Twin screens, push button ignition, convertible rear seat, wraparound seating in the bow, wraparound seating in the back. This does have the convertible loungers on the back, which are some of the most comfortable rear-facing loungers on the market. Z6 tower, full over the tower cover. So fold your tower down, cover goes over top of everything, which is fantastic. Keeps everything inside. Cool feel vinyl throughout, so every section of this boat has the cool feel vinyl. So very nice boat, very good condition. Single owner, freshwater only, and probably $75,000, $85,000 less than brand new. So if you got any questions about this or any other one you see online, you can call me directly on my cell. That number is 301-501-7123, or you can email me at scott.dolan@marinemax.com. Thanks a lot. Look forward to talking to you.